Good morning. So, on behalf of the Pan American Organization and World Health Organization in Mexico, I'd like to express my gratitude to be here and also the privilege and honor to be here to know this beautiful country. So, I'm going to talk about a little bit about a project that has been implemented in Querétaro. Querétaro is a state in Mexico. So sorry for the inconvenience. So we are going to talk about an experience from the state of Querétaro and in the global network for age-friendly cities and community. Next one. Next, okay. So Mexico is a very big country. So Mexico is a federation of 32 states. And nowadays we have 129 million of inhabitants in Mexico. So here you can see in the map, Mexico it's in the North American continent, and there are 32 states all over the country. Next. Mexico is a very diverse country in terms of geography, in terms of environment, and also in terms of language. Besides Spanish, there are 62 native languages, and about 15 to 20% of the population speaks another language. Here you can see in the map all the language. They are represented on the map of Mexico. Next. So Querétaro is one of the 32 states in Mexico, and Querétaro is situated in the center part of Mexico, in the heart of the country. Last year, on February, the global network of age-friendly cities and communities was presented to the authorities of Querétaro, and they started to work to be part of this community. Next. So here you can see in Querétaro we have 18 municipalities and we have 4 regions. Next. Among the 18 municipalities, 17 municipalities belong to the global network. So here we have the first region, that we have the city of Querétaro, that's the capital of the state. In this region we have 10% of people over the age of 60. Next. In the second region we have about 10% of people with the age of 60 or higher or over. Next. And the third region, about 30% also. Next. And in the fourth region, we have about 13%. It's more or less the average of the country. The country has a percentage of elderly people is around 10%. Next. So so this year we had the 17 municipalities among the 18 ones that there are in Querétaro that became members of the global network of age-friendly cities and communities. Next. And we are going to display, to show here one of the experience that has been implemented in one of these cities, Querétaro, that is the capital of this state. So the name of the experience is From Your Hand for Your Safety. In Spanish would be De la Mano por Tu Seguridad. Next. So Querétaro is the capital of the state of Querétaro, Querétaro City, and it has a population of about 9,100 inhabitants. with 11% of people with age of 60 or over. And they started this practice in 2021. Next. So what is From Your Hand for Your Safety? What is it? It's a program aimed at elderly individuals with memory loss related issues and their families. It's designed to assist them in finding their way home in case they get lost. So it was designed to help elderly people to find their way to go home. Next. What is it for? So it's to help elderly individuals and their families to feel ease and know that in the event of getting lost, their family member can be identified and assisted in returning home. Next. So this initiative was developed and implemented by, it's a program that has been a social prevention strategy that contributes to local security, which has been developed and implemented by the Public Security Secretariat of the Municipality of Querétaro in collaboration with UNODC, that has made the donation of supplies to operate the program, and it has been internationally recognized as a case of good practice. Next. How it works. So after a validation process of a medical condition and with the approval of the family members, the use of a bracelet is assigned for identification of the elderly individuals with memory loss related issues. Next. So you can see here a bracelet on an elderly individual. Next. How it works. The bracelet contains an engraved QR code which can be scanned by police personnel to access their real-time information and thus help them to return to their families or support networks. So if one elderly individual is found, for example, in the streets, they call the police, and the police can scan the QR code that is in the bracelet, and in this QR code we are going to have the name of the person and other data, for example, who should be called when this elderly individual needs help. Next. Here you can see a policewoman with an elderly individual. Next. Again. Next. So, which was the impact? So, since the implementation in January 29, 2021, over 1,300 identification bracelets have been delivered, and there have been 99 success stories of people who, thanks to the use of the bracelet, have been integrated into their families. Next. So this is a very active state in terms of projects regarding to elderly people. So another program that they have, it's called Doctor With Me, or in Spanish it's Médico Contigo. Next. So this is a program that aims to provide free medical consultations and medical delivery and medication delivery to the homes of citizens in the city of Querétaro. It is focused on the individuals aged 60 or above, as well as people with disabilities, with a goal to improve their quality of life. Next. And there are other examples from the Querétaro. So here we have a club, a seniors club. So this senior clubs, it was intended to take people to the sea, usually people that has never had the experience to go to the sea. So this is another experience. Next one. is another city in the Querétaro state. This is a program called Más Vida, would be more life. So this is a community providing comprehensive care and protection to older adults by organizing recreational activities like lottery games, social gatherings, dancing, and gift giving. This program has significant benefit a substantial population of older adults in the community. Next. This is another activity, another initiative. The state senior sports meeting involved 30 enthusiastic older adults participating in various activities. Additional, a baking workshop was created at a day center, benefiting 20 older adults and promoting their inclusion in the workforce and society. Next. So these are some experience from Querétaro. Querétaro is a state that has been implemented the global network age-friendly cities and communities in a very good way. So this is a state initiative, so they are promoting that all the cities in the state are trying to make their cities age-friendly. Thank you.